So you might be in a position where for some reason Instagram is not letting you share a post to your Instagram story. Now this is very, very common, and the main reason why this is happening is usually because that specific post that you're trying to post to your story just doesn't have permission or doesn't give you permission to actually, post it on your story. So the very first thing is, if you are missing that paper plane icon right there, that is probably why you're not able to post it to your story, because it's just not giving you the ability of doing so, because that person who posted that post doesn't allow people to go and post it to their story. So if we go to somebody like Kim Kardashian for this example, right? If we go and look at their latest photo, you can see that even though I'm not this person, I will still be able to have the option of sharing it and even posting it to my story by clicking on the paper plane icon. And from there, I will have that option right there, which will allow me to add posts to my story. So if you're missing that option, that is basically because that person does not allow other people to actually post things to their story. So just keep that in mind. And for some reason, that doesn't seem to be working either, and you probably do have permission, but you don't know why it's not working. What you can always do is make your way over to your app store. So you can just open up your app store just like this. You then want to go ahead and click the search button, and all you want to do is go ahead and search up Instagram. So go and search up Instagram just like this, not like that, but kind of close. And at this point, all you want to do is open it up, and all you want to do here is just update that application. That's another thing you can do, and I will say most probably that's going to probably end up fixing the situation, but that is really all you're going to have to do. Now, if it's still not working after this, you may want to double check that Instagram isn't down for some reason or something along those lines, but that is basically the main ways to fix it in my opinion. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.